Mabuhay, time check is 7:35 in the morning. For new faces, I am Kiroky Fraco. I or we usually do indoor-outdoor exercises, and same goes with family activities and some other concerns. So if you find this interesting, kindly consider subscribing. Okay guys, our exercise goal for today is to have slimmer waist and toner tummy. This is recommended for people with saggy belly like me. So we are going to do 4 abdominal crunches, and these are to tighten the core muscles, and 1 awkward wide open leg exercise for inner thighs. So guys, if you are searching for an effective tightening tummy exercises or aiming to have abs, well then abdominal crunches is the best option for you. So enough with this voiceover. So guys, please enjoy and have fun watching. we're done, and thank you for watching. Anyway, some links in the description box are affiliate links. This means I earn a small commission if you click on the link and make a purchase at no extra cost to you. God bless.